Ethical AI refers to the development and use of artificial intelligence systems in ways that align with moral principles and values. The goal is to ensure that AI benefits humanity and operates in a manner that is fair, transparent, and accountable. Key principles of ethical AI. Fairness means ensuring AI systems do not exhibit or perpetuate bias. It is crucial because AI should treat all individuals equally and avoid discriminatory practices. To achieve this, we need to implement diverse training datasets and conduct regular bias audits. Transparency involves making AI processes understandable and accessible. This is important because users and stakeholders should be able to understand how AI decisions are made. One effective approach is to use explainable AI or XAI tools to provide clear explanations of AI decisions. Accountability means holding AI developers and users responsible for AI outcomes. It's essential because it ensures that there is a system in place to address any negative impacts of AI. The approach involves maintaining detailed documentation and establishing clear roles and responsibilities. Privacy is about protecting individuals' personal data and ensuring confidentiality. Respecting privacy is crucial for maintaining trust in AI systems. To achieve this, we need to implement robust data protection measures and follow data privacy regulations. Robustness is all about ensuring AI systems are reliable and secure. It's important because AI should be resilient to attacks and operate reliably under various conditions. The approach here is to regularly test AI systems for vulnerabilities and implement security measures. Ethical AI in practice. Healthcare. Ethical AI in healthcare ensures fair and unbiased patient treatment. For example, AI systems used in medical diagnostics must provide accurate results for all demographic groups, ensuring that no group is disadvantaged. Finance. Ethical AI in finance aims to prevent discrimination in lending and credit scoring. For instance, credit scoring algorithms must be designed to ensure that they do not unfairly disadvantage any particular group based on race, gender, or other protected characteristics. Law enforcement. Ethical AI in law enforcement focuses on preventing biased policing practices. Predictive policing tools must be carefully monitored to ensure they do not disproportionately target minority communities. Challenges in implementing ethical AI. Bias in data. AI systems often learn from biased data, leading to biased outcomes. Identifying and mitigating biases in training data is a complex and ongoing task. The solution? Use diverse and representative datasets and continuously monitor AI outputs for bias. Complexity of AI models. Complex AI models can be difficult to interpret and understand. The challenge lies in ensuring transparency and explainability in deep learning models. The solution? Develop and use explainable AI or XAI tools to make AI decisions understandable. Regulatory compliance. AI developers must navigate a complex landscape of regulations. The challenge here is keeping up with evolving legal standards and ensuring compliance. To tackle this, stay informed about regulatory changes and incorporate compliance into the AI development process. Ethical dilemmas. Balancing different ethical principles can be quite challenging. The main challenge is resolving conflicts between fairness, privacy, and other ethical principles. The solution is to engage with ethicists, stakeholders, and diverse communities to navigate these ethical dilemmas. Future directions in ethical AI. Standardization, developing industry-wide standards for ethical AI, establishing common guidelines and best practices for ethical AI development. Education and training, promoting continuous education in AI ethics for developers and stakeholders, offering regular workshops, courses, and certifications in AI ethics to ensure ongoing learning and awareness. AI governance, implementing robust governance frameworks for AI development and deployment. establishing governance bodies and protocols to oversee ethical AI practices. Global collaboration, fostering international cooperation on ethical AI standards. Collaborating with global organizations to harmonize ethical AI standards and practices. Ethical AI is essential for ensuring that AI technologies benefit society while minimizing harm. By adhering to principles of fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, and robustness, and by addressing challenges and future directions, we can build AI systems that are trustworthy, reliable, and aligned with human values. As AI continues to evolve, the importance of ethical considerations will only grow, making it imperative for developers, policymakers, and stakeholders to work together in promoting responsible AI development. Stay tuned for more insights into the evolving landscape of AI ethics and responsible AI development.